How to sell insurance while you sleep. The power of weird and ugly 3-step postcard system. TM. This is a video that's factual and not a lot of bull. In today's fast-paced world, finding effective ways to sell insurance can feel overwhelming. However, one simple marketing strategy stands out for its effectiveness and charm: the humble postcard. In this video, we'll explore how to harness the power of weird and ugly 3-step postcard system, TM, to sell final expense insurance to widows over 60, while also reaching wealthy investors for million-dollar term plans, all while you catch some sleep. Step 1. Understanding your audience. Targeting widows over age 60. Final expense insurance is particularly appealing to widows over the age of 60, who are often looking for ways to alleviate the financial burden of funeral costs and provide peace of mind for their loved ones. Tailoring your postcards to resonate with this demographic can significantly increase your conversion rates. Reaching wealthy investors. On the other hand, wealthy investors seeking million-dollar term plans are looking for strategic ways to protect their assets and secure their families' futures. Crafting postcards that underscore the benefits of such policies, such as wealth preservation and financial security, will be key. Step 2. Designing your weird and ugly postcards. Why weird and ugly postcards works. In a world filled with sleek and polished marketing materials, standing out is crucial. Here's why weird and ugly postcards can be your secret weapon. Grab attention. A quirky design or unusual imagery catches the eye. Recipients are more likely to stop and read a postcard that deviates from the norm. It stands out in your mailbox. Memorable impact. People remember odd or funny design postcards more than traditional marketing materials. This leaves a lasting impression, increasing the likelihood they'll remember your services, and if they are interested in getting a quote or buying insurance online, they will sign up on website. Plus, no agent involvement. Tips: we are designing your postcards. Bold colors. Use vibrant, clashing colors to make your postcard pop, like a bright yellow, pink, or a light green, like on my utility bill I get monthly. Silly graphics. We incorporate a family or widow or our odd images that relate to your insurance offerings but evoke a smile. Catchy phrases. Insurance in 10 minutes. Use light-hearted and engaging language to draw people in and make them read the postcard. Like insurance in 10 minutes online. Ensure that despite the quirky design, the purpose is clear. Whether it's calling for a quote, giving sample rates for a certain age, or visiting your website and signing up for insurance. We have sample postcard templates to make your life even easier. We offer a range of quirky postcard templates specifically designed for selling insurance. Step 3. Mailing your postcards. Effectively using our postcard mailing service. By utilizing our postcard mailing service, you can easily connect with a niche lead list of widows for final expense and wealthy investors seeking million-dollar term plans. With this targeted sales approach, you can potentially double your insurance production. You can start by having the printing company mail out 500 postcards at just $0.71 apiece. Once you begin turning a profit from your commission, reinvest your earnings into $1,000, $2,000, or $3,000 a month additional postcard, maintaining a steady flow of outreach and maximizing your reach over time and building traffic to your direct sales website. The benefits of postcards over digital marketing. With the inboxes of potential clients overflowing with 100 to 200 spam emails daily and social media feeds crowded with ads, that's wide postcards, have a distinct edge. I've even saved some postcards for 20 years because they were catchy and unique. Visibility. Postcards cannot be ignored like an email with 200 other emails can. They'll stand out in the mailbox, demanding attention. Tangible. A physical postcard delivers a personal touch in a digital era, making it feel more genuine and personal. Low competition. Many agents neglect direct mail marketing today, thinking it's old school means your postcards are less likely to be overshadowed. That's the big secrets for smart agents. Easy issue policies online within minutes. Moreover, platforms like Ethos Insurance offer quick issue policies that can be completed online in just 10 minutes and issued the same day. Plus, they have no physical or blood test. You deal directly with the company and no cut of commission up to 90%. And even based on your production, you get up to 120%. By directing your postcard recipients to this user-friendly website, you can streamline the buying process into the 21st century. This eliminates the need for a face-to-face insurance agent getting involved and makes it simpler for potential clients to secure coverage quickly. Truth check. People avoid talking to agents whenever they can. They would rather buy insurance online without an agent. Implementation strategy. Create a list. Use our targeted mailing lists to reach widows over 60 for final expense insurance and wealthy investors for million-dollar term plans. Frequency. Consider sending out postcards regularly to stay top of mind for potential clients. A bi-monthly send can keep your name prominent. Using our weird and ugly 3-step postcard system, track responses. Include a unique domain name on postcard to track which designs or messages resonate most with your audience. Conclusion. Selling insurance while you sleep. TM may sound too good to be true, but with a fun and effective strategy like using weird and ugly postcards, you can achieve just that. By understanding your audience, designing eye-catching postcards, and utilizing our postcard printing and mailing service, you set yourself up to double and triple your success in the insurance sales. In addition, we have a complete social media secret system that will make you a semi-expert on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, and TikTok. Embrace the unconventional and watch your sales grow, all while you enjoy a well-deserved increase in income. To learn more, just go to http www.sellinginsurance while you sleep. Come.